Aria ML AI has just dropped. And if you're looking for the best AI software that's making waves in digital marketing, then stick around. Today, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about Aria ML AI, a brand new tool that's changing the game. You'll get an insider look at how it works, what it can do for your business, and why it's generating so much buzz in the AI world. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Aria ML AI for free using the link below. I've tested countless AI tools, and this one has some pretty unique features that you need to see. Now, let's jump right into it. First off, Aria ML AI is a powerhouse when it comes to automating and optimizing digital marketing tasks. Whether you're running ad campaigns, managing social media, or analyzing customer data, this software integrates AI seamlessly into the marketing ecosystem. It uses machine learning to adjust and improve strategies over time, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced marketers. One of the things I love about Aria ML AI is its ease of use. If you're not a tech wizard, no problem. The user interface is intuitive, so you don't need a PhD to get started. You can set up campaigns in just a few clicks, and the AI will take care of the rest, learning from past campaigns to boost your results. Another key feature is the data analysis tools. Aria ML AI can process vast amounts of customer data, helping you understand your audience better than ever. This means you can make data-driven decisions that actually move the needle for your business. Whether it's predictive analytics, lead scoring, or behavior tracking, this software helps you understand the numbers in ways traditional methods can't. What's also impressive is Aria ML's ability to optimize content creation. If you're running ad copy or social media campaigns, Aria ML AI can analyze what types of content perform best for your audience and recommend changes to improve engagement. It's like having a digital marketing assistant who's always learning from your audience's responses. But here's something that stands out: personalization at scale. With Aria ML AI, you can automate personalized marketing at an unprecedented level. Imagine tailoring your email marketing, offers, and promotions based on customer behavior without manually tweaking every campaign. Aria ML AI does it automatically, saving you hours of work while delivering a more personalized experience to your clients. Another feature you're going to love is the integration with other platforms. If you're already using tools like Google Ads, Facebook, or Shopify, Aria ML AI makes it easy to integrate with your existing stack. This means you can centralize your digital marketing efforts into one seamless workflow, which makes life a lot easier for digital marketers. Finally, let's talk about the AI's ability to scale. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, Aria ML AI can grow with you. It's built to handle everything from a few campaigns to large-scale digital marketing strategies, making it a versatile solution no matter the size of your operation. So, should you try Aria ML AI? Absolutely. I've tested it out, and it delivers real results. The good news is you can try it for free from the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that this one is worth checking out, especially if you're looking to improve your digital marketing. And don't forget, in the description, you'll find my top recommended AI tools that I've used to grow my own business. I've spent years refining what works, and these tools are at the top of the list. Thanks for watching.